Okay, ladies, my Seductive ArT workshop is rolling back around in the next year, 2025 in February. This is the pre-Valentine's Day sexiness. It's the ladies' night of all ladies' night, the ultimate ladies' night. We are going to tap into our sexuality, our femininity. With Seductive ArT, we focus on three specialized areas, which is visual stimulation, how to visually stimulate your partner in and out of the bedroom. We're going to have real sex talk. There's quite a few topics on the table for the evening, as well as we have to slip on our heels. If you already have your heels on, you don't have to bring no heels. And we're going to do a little 1-2 with ESS, the erotic, sensual, and seductive dance. Now this is for my sisters only. You know what I'm saying? Because we got some things that we got to tap in for ourselves so we can get ourselves right. You know, as it relates to sex and human sexual behavior, because we all are sexual beings, and the taboo is over. We are finished of not talking about all these things that's going on with the homosexuality. What else? Our beauty, how it's trying to they try to vanish it or erase it and yet put it on other women. Our sexuality, they say that black women are overly sexualized. I mean, you know, that we just be, no, everybody's not like that. It's not true. So it's a whole bunch of, being confident in yourself to be able to tell your partner what you want. Finding out if you are sexually compatible with your partner, because some people aren't. When to let shit go. We're going to tap into all these things. So, ladies, I hope y'all join me. I mean, you can learn more about me. Okay, so let me tell you real quick. I am a former sex worker. No, I ain't sell no pussy, but I was an exotic dancer. I was get hired as a host of swinger parties. I used to be a stylist on pornographic films, as well as I've written a short book called Quickie. It's 7 short erotic stories. It's an ebook form only. So, you know, I've learned a lot, seen a lot, talked to a lot, just got a lot that I like to offer to my sisters. So I hope y'all come through. This is a topic that we have to tap into with. And what makes Seductive ArT special than any other workshop, it's interactive, it's sexy fun, and it's informative. There will be sexy giveaways throughout the night. And if you ladies like y'all sex toys, there'll be somebody there selling sex toys. You know, there will be wine. And I may make my specialty little drink so y'all can have that. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all come and join me. That's February 8th. Save the date. And you can buy your tickets right here. And I hope to see y'all there. It's only $25. You gonna be happy. Your man gonna be happy. Or your girl, whoever gonna be happy. Y'all gonna be feeling good like you know you should. So I hope to see y'all there. Peace, it's your girl Real. I'm an intimacy coach / seductress.